Hi guys, this is a quilting video, not a paper scrapbook, paper crafting video. So I hope you enjoy it. This is the 2020 limited edition Jolly Box. I just got it today, Sunday, and I think it's November 16. So anyway, no, I'm sorry, it's November 15, 2020. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. I didn't get last year's one, but I did get the first one. So inside the box it says Candy Cane Wishes and Mistletoe Kisses. Super cute. And as usual, it comes with a booklet with everything that comes inside. So we'll just put that on the side and we will do it together. I'll put all the information below, the cost and all that. So let me see. So the first thing I see is this Homegrown Holidays. It looks like, oh, it's magnetized, so it magnetizes. It's a really cool farmhouse barn, vintagey looking. It has a barn and Christmas pine trees, a little lamb with a quilt, and the barn also has a quilt block. And I love this buffalo plaid on the inside. And it's a little notebook with the pine trees. Super cute. You can just stick this in your purse if you like, because it closes. And it's from Moda Fabrics. And let's look. Why isn't it on? Oh, here. So Homegrown Holidays Pocket Notepad by Moda Fabrics, and the value of this is $3.48. Next one is Oh Dear Socks. This is super cute. I love socks, even though I live in Hawaii and don't really use socks that much. But this is also from Moda. And let me open it up so the glare isn't so bad. And it has a cute little reindeer and green and red polka dots. And on the bottom it says, oh dear, exclamation point. And same thing, has a red heel and toes. Super cute. And this one retails for $13.98. Again, everything will be listed below, how much the box cost. It might be sold out. It does sell out really quick. And but you know, I'll put how much it cost me and what the value is. So next we have this Aurifil thread. So we have two, and it says these white and gray Aurifil threads are just right for the North Pole quilt and Luxe Cuddle Infinity scarf. So the value of this is $9.96 for both. So it's good. I always like having thread, and these are nice neutrals. And this is Infinity Scarf. So let's open this up. And there's also a coupon code that came in it. So this is an Infinity Scarf, Luxe Cuddly Minky Fabric Pre-Cut. It's so soft. So let's see what this is all about. Give someone the gift of a warm, cuddly hug. The Luxe Cuddle Infinity Scarf is the best cozy companion on the coldest nights. Value of this is $13.98. So no sewing involved. It's already a scarf. Of course, living in Hawaii, it's not used, you know, it's kind of useless for me, but I will send it to my son who moved to Rhode Island. And this is the Moda Dear Christmas fabrics. And it says, you will fawn over this sweet Christmas collection, Dear Christmas by Urban Chiks for Moda Fabrics. Bright candy colors revive nostalgic reindeer themed prints in this fun charm pack and exclusive panel. Value is $19.98. So let's also open this up. I'm liking what's in here so far. So here's the charm pack. And this is the panel. So I'll just open it up so you can see what it looks like. Oh, So here's the charm pack. Very vintagey, super cute. I love the colors. Traditional red and green and like an ivory. So it looks like we get 2 of each. I always have a hard time with the fabric. Okay, let me bring it up here. So let me bring this down a little bit. Okay, so 2. Oh, I really like this. This tone on tone ivory gingham. I really like that. There's 3 of that one. 1, 2, 3, which is nice because I like it. Really pretty Christmas lights. Non-traditional colors. Kind of pastel-y on a ivory background. Oh, this one is 3 also. Oh, maybe they all come with 3. Maybe I just missed one. 1, nope. This one is the reindeer and hollies on ivory. That one has 2. Red gingham on ivory. This one is 2. This is jingle bells on a red background. That one is just 1. And like a plaid. Christmas lights on a red background. So some have, they have different quantities. This is the reindeer on a yellow background. And this is the Christmas lights on the yellow background. There's 2 of those. Reindeer on a, I guess, an ivory background. 2 of those. Green background. Plaid. Christmas lights on green. Green gingham. White reindeers on green background. I really like this colorway. Reindeer on pink. I hope you can see that. Pink reindeer on ivory. And this is pink and green plaid on ivory. Jingle bells on pink. Lights, Christmas lights on pink. 2 of those. Kind of a teal background reindeer on ivory. And same colorway, plaid on ivory. These are all the teals and turquoise. Jingle bells on teal. Teal gingham. And that's it. Super cute. And let's look at the panel. So this is the panel. Looks like the reindeer. Let me zoom out a bit. So it looks like it's the reindeer with a big red bow and a bell around his neck. And it has the striped polka dots. And it's the full reindeer standing. And then there's also this panel that you can cut, and it has the reindeer silhouette, I mean the bust of the reindeer and the standing one, plus this little tag that you can sew onto your, like a quilt label. And then there's this quilt pattern. Finished size is 27.5 by 36.5, and it seems like we have everything we need except maybe the binding and the backing. Super cute. I love it. This is such a quick thing to do. See, look, what else you need? 1/2 yard binding and a 1/3 yard's backing. So everything's in here. I'm really, really happy with this box, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.